What's up, my LS Crazy Amigos? Your boy Terry, speaking from the garage shop once again. Here to offer you some more big bang for the buck product and info. This is going to be a really quick one, all right? You say, Terry, what's in that box? What do you got there? What do you got there, son? I'm going to tell you. This is a CNC ported LS3 head that I'm getting ready to put on my Trailblazer SS, all right? Now, you got to remember, whenever you get parts in the mail, inspect them, all right? Inspect them, because here it is, you know, CNC ported head, all right? And, you know, I know what you guys are thinking. I know what you guys are thinking, because it's all brand new and shiny, and, you know, I'm with you. I love brand new stuff, and you get all starry-eyed and everything like that because it's all shiny. It looks good. You know, it's all, you know, it even smells good. But slow down and definitely inspect, because when I inspected these heads, I realized something was awry. It looks good so far. I mean, you know, everything is all nice and pretty and new. Look at that. Oh, what is that? What is that? Look at that. See? And you can feel that. It's not smooth. Now, sure, you could probably file this down or whatever, but why should you have to? This is a brand new head. Send it on back. So remember, whenever you get parts, always inspect them, especially if they're aluminum parts, because it doesn't take much, because aluminum is soft metal. It's soft metal, it doesn't take much to dent it or destroy it. And you know what happens, you know, like from the manufacturer, it goes to the vendor, from the vendor, it goes to your doorstep, and in those travels, it's probably getting thrown around, you know, kicked around or whatever, because there are boxes, and for some reason, I don't know, people, you know, just aren't as careful as they should be. But that's all good, all right? At this time, I want to say thank you for all the love, the comments. I appreciate it. It's really cool. Even the guys, a few people with little negative comments, because the way I see it, you need negativity to appreciate positivity. So I want to say thank you guys as well. So if you like what you see, subscribe. Coverman66 on YouTube. I'm also on Facebook, and I'm also on Instagram, all right? But I'm looking at the clock on the wall, or should I say ceiling, and it's time for me to head on off so I can finish up with the Trailblazer SS project Phase 2. Looking forward to seeing what that car does, what that truck does, all right? But as always, please be easy, and I'll catch you guys real soon. Take care.